uneven lawns don't stand a chance. Luba 2 AWD is an autonomous wire-free lawnmower built to tackle rugged terrain with stunning aesthetic results. You drive Luba like an RC car to set a virtual boundary so there's no need for perimeter wires. You can also set multiple mowing zones that Luba will traverse automatically. Its all-wheel drive system climbs steep slopes up to 38 degrees, thanks to the enhanced internal motors, while adaptive suspension maintains a smooth mow over bumpy terrain. With our patented dual-purpose driving system, Omni wheels prevent damage to the grass when Luba makes a zero turn. Luba is now compatible with smart home systems.
Alexa, have Luba mow the lawn.
Mowing started.
For an entirely hands-free experience. Under the hood, it wields dual cutting plates with an effective width of 400 millimeters. Cutting height can be adjusted to your liking through the mobile app. A solar-powered RTK unit enables centimeter-level positioning. And if there's ever a loss in GPS connection, Luba will default to its 3D vision system. There's no loss in mowing accuracy, even when RTK is disconnected for an extended period of time. When you're out of town, you'll never have to give it a second thought. Luba's triple redundant obstacle avoidance system is powered by a physical bumper, ultrasonic radar, and binocular vision that detects anything in its path, making Luba safer around pets and children. The intelligent battery detects when power is getting low and returns itself to the base station for recharge. Adjust mowing specs and monitor progress anywhere directly with the Motion app. All this and so much more make Luba 2 AWD the ideal choice for large or uneven lawns.